7 minus 7 gives us 0. So we have 0 times 7 over 7. Okay, 0 times 7 is just 7. So 0 times 7 is just 0. So 0 over 7 gives us 0. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. In the numerator, we have one subtraction and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction because multiplication comes before subtraction. So here, first we have to do this multiplication, then this subtraction. If we do this subtraction before this multiplication, it is wrong. So first we have to do this multiplication. 7 times 7 gives us 49. So we have 7 minus 49 over 7. Okay? No. 7 minus 49 gives us negative 42. So we have negative 42 over 7, which gives us negative 6. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is negative 6.